What's up, picky eater gang?
Gang.
If you ain't with the gang, you lame.
Well, we're back with another video. If you're new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed. You have that bell tick so you get notified whenever we drop a video.
And become part of the picky eater gang.
Tell them what we have today.
Today, we got some jerk chicken mushroom stuffed with cheese burgers.
We have jerk mushroom stuffed with cheese burgers. I don't know where she got the chicken from.
Oh, is that, did I say jerk chicken?
Yeah.
Jerk chicken. It's mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. And we got 2 of them. And Lena over here hooked us up with that. Hey, she wants some. You want some, baby? Let's put some jerk sauce on her, sis.
Are you dumb?
You mad? Oh, she's going in. Look, she thinks she has jerk chicken on her hand. Get it, girl. All right, girl, you ready for this?
I'm ready for this. I'm so excited. I know, I've never had it like stuffed with cheese. That was her idea, so.
Jalapeno cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, and that green stuff was avocado hummus.
Mmm.
And that orange stuff was burger sauce.
Mmm.
And everything else is what it is.
Exactly.
Let's dig in.
I want to see her take the first bite.
Mine is like Gershon. Oh, that looks bomb. Oh my goodness. If I was at home watching this on the screen, I'd be like,
You son of a gun.
the mushroom is juicy.
Mm-hmm.
This is dripping. This is my pink sweater all messy. I didn't think this through. This sweater, by the way, is from Sash clothing line. I love what it stands for. Struggle and succeed honorably. Sash clothing. You can look them up on Instagram.
What does it mean? That was hard. What did you just say? I'm trying to hear her.
Come here, shut up. Struggle and succeed honorably. You know, success takes a struggle.
Trust me. They got that right. Yo, this burger is just dripping. Oh, Lord. Just say you want to be in the video. You're already in it, but you didn't have any lines.
She's stealing the show. Stealing the show from our juicy burger. Yeah, because you know, permanent success takes a grind. If you get anywhere like the finish line quickly, it's not gonna last.
You think so?
Yeah, all those Olympians who won medals cheating, they got their medals revoked, right? They got there quickly, but it didn't last.
True that. I need another one of these.
That's nice. But it's not too hot though. It's not spicy.
No. Definitely like this video if you are a mushroom fan, like we are, because we love mushrooms.
Gotta get that vitamin D in. I just got my first taste of onion.
I totally need another one.
There's only 5 mushrooms in a pack and we use 2 to make these burgers each, so can't have another one today.
She wants some boobies.
She's about to get that jerk mushroom chicken, booby. She just wants a bite. Just give her a bite.
Are you crazy?
That's why she keeps spitting out her sus.
So guys,
so I'm on my way to the motherland, guys. It's gonna be our last video together for a minute. I'm gonna be eating that fufu in Ghana for you guys.
I think when you come back, you should actually make it. Show the people them that, like, you know, she had it, so she should know what it tastes like now, right?
I'm gonna be a professional. And it's not gonna be like glue, whatever that means. But yeah, as usual, I finished first. That was good. The onions actually made it spicier than the jerk sauce. But it was a jerk barbecue sauce, and it was probably mild. Was it mild? Yeah.
I didn't put too much.
Okay, well, there's just this much left in the bottle.
I should have just used it all. But I didn't want to be like, oh, it's so spicy.
I feel like something funny happened today.
What funny happened?
Oh, we should tell the story about the princess.
So here's a little side story before we close out our little video. You want to pass me a napkin? No.
That's her face when she like gets latches on the boobies, like.
She's sick. She's like just crazy. But yeah, so here's a side story. So I have a baby sister named Princess. Yes, her real name is Princess. And I recently bought her some clothes. So one of the shirts that I had her put on said Princess on it. So I'm teaching her just the letters on the shirt. I have her spell it out, and I'm like, you know what that says? And she's like, what? And I'm like, Princess. And she goes, oh my God, they know me. Mind you, she has a YouTube channel called Playtime with Princess. You should check her out.
Subscribe.
And she says, oh my God, they have my merchant stores. Oh my God. Oh my God. And they have the matching cheetah pants.
We're gonna have to have her come on because she is so cute.
She's hilarious. She really thinks that because the shirt says Princess, that her YouTube page blew up and they're selling.
Oh, you guys saw her in the Punjabi video. That's Princess. Did she even say it? Did she shout out her name? She always does.
I think she did.
She always does. She was like, it's playtime with Princess.
Yeah. So it was the most cutest thing I've ever witnessed. She literally thought that they're selling her merchant stores.
I know.
She seen me pop the tag off. She was like, she was in total
Mama,
shock.
I made it.
Yeah, total shock. But yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna have merch soon, so
Yeah.
she can have that shock all over again. She's like, Auntie, they know us. Picky Eater Gang.
It's gonna be awesome. Speaking it into existence.
Yep.
If you like our vibe, like that video and share this video with everybody that you know.
And if you made it this far to see that little comment, that means you like us.
You like us. You really, really
like us.
Hey.
So subscribe. And you know what? That is actually Princess's favorite part of the video.
She sings that all day.
Yeah.
All day.
Yeah.
But anyways, Picky Eater Gang, we out.